Amazon PPC is one of the most powerful tools to help sellers drive traffic to their listing, rank their products organically, and of course get sales. Many sellers, many people don't really have enough experience or the knowledge on how to drive those sales but still keep themselves profitable. In this video, I will show you 5 methods on how you can reduce your ACoS, which is the advertisement cost of sales. What's up guys, this is Tomer from sourcingmonster.com and welcome to another video. And if it's your first time here and you want to learn more on how you can create your own brand, selling private label product and creating a scalable income from anywhere in the world, start now by subscribing to the channel and click the bell so you don't miss any upcoming video that I release. Okay, so let's start with me showing you the 5 methods on how to reduce your ACoS. The ACoS is the advertisement cost of sales. So for example, let's say you had the sales worth $100, okay? And then you spend $20 to get those sales, then your ACoS will be 20%. So obviously you want always to reduce that number so you can be profitable. But sometimes when you try to reduce it that much, you hurt the share of market and the option for you to get more sales. So you need to understand, okay, I'm reducing my ACoS, but do I get enough volume of traffic? So it needs to be there should be correlation between the ACoS to what actually like the amount of sales that you're getting. It's great to have like 1% ACoS, but you only get one sale in the last 30 days. What does it even worth? Worth nothing, okay? But let me show you first how you should look at ACoS and what is the approach to that. It's super important that you really understand what is your break-even ACoS. What do I mean by break-even ACoS? Break-even ACoS means that what is the cost of sales, like the advertisement cost of sales, that if you make a sale, you're not really making any profit on a product. And why it's so important? Because PPC, again, it's a tool to rank your product higher organically. So if you create this sales velocity with breaking even, but you are really taking your organic rankings higher, it's great because you're going to be profitable and get like free sales organically, and here you're not really losing anything. So first of all, how to calculate your break-even ACoS, okay? There is a simple formula to do that. You have to take the sale price, okay? Let's go to Amazon here and just check a random item. Let's take this item, okay? So the price of the item is $69.95, okay? Let's take the calculator. $69.95, which is the sale price. Sale price. Then you're going to reduce the Amazon fees. Let's check like the Amazon fees with Helium 10 profitability calculator. So the Amazon fees are 3.31 and 10.49. So minus 3.31 minus 10.49 minus cost of goods. I don't know what is the cost of goods of this item, but let's pretend it's $30, okay? Minus $30. Now they have this number which is 26.15. That's basically the profit that you have. Why? You reduce the Amazon fees and the cost of goods, and that's the profit that you have for that. So in order to really get your break-even ACoS, you're going to take this number that you got and you're going to divide it by the sale price again, $69.95 if I'm not wrong, right? Yeah, $69.95, okay? Then you're going to multiply it by 100, and then we know that the break-even percentage for our product is 37%. That means that you can get sales all day long and you're gonna be very profitable with your organic sales if you're not going to the number is not going to be over that 37%, okay? So once you know this, you can really understand better or have a better strategy on how you approach PPC and those campaigns that you're working on. Something that many people are neglecting and not really sure like that they know how it works, okay? Alright, so let's go with the first method, negative keywords. Make sure you add negative keywords or product negatives for auto campaigns, okay? So let me show you how to do it. So first of all, let's open one of the auto campaigns that I have here. Why I open auto campaign, which, and by the way, you should do it on any other campaign like manual campaign, because auto campaign allow you also to add product negatives, okay? So we want to open the ad group that we're working on, go to search terms, and then for all these search terms, we can, if we see something that is not really relevant, that is like got like more than 5 clicks, you should remove it, okay? So for example, let's say you're selling like hairbrush and then someone wrote teeth brush. Obviously they will not buy it because it's not the product they're looking for. Maybe there is small chance that they will buy it, but you're losing a lot of money on nothing. So you should go here to the negative targeting and click add the negative targeting here and add the word teeth. I will add it like as a negative phrase. So any term that people search with teeth, like teeth, cleaning, teeth, brush, whatever, then you will, this auto campaign will not show any ads, so you're not losing money on things that are not relevant. Now, the Amazon added a new feature, which is negative product, something new that was really there was a big need for that, and people, including myself, like asked all the time, how can we do that? And now you have the option to do it. So you can click on add negative product targeting, take the product ASIN from the search report, and ASIN that is not really converting. So with ASINs, I would wait maybe for at least 20 clicks to show. If there is no conversion, maybe add them, and they are not really relevant, add them as an ASIN. So for example, we can take this ASIN, just an example, add it here, and then exclude and add as negative targeting, okay? Very simple and very effective. Sometimes people neglect the easy things, but you should, when you do it on a regular basis, that's going to reduce your ACoS for sure, because you are only going to bid on relevant keywords and get relevant traffic, of course. So it's not like an easy hack, you do it one time and you forget about it. It's something that you have to do on a regular basis. I would recommend doing it like every 2 to 3 weeks, so you get enough data between each time that you add negatives, okay? Bid management. Make sure that you reduce or increase bid for keywords that are profitable or not profitable, okay? So let me show you again what do I mean by that. So let's go to one of the campaigns here, and then let's go to one of the ad groups. I like to do it for the last 7 days and then go to targeting. Once I have, actually this is, well, we can do it on auto campaign as well actually. And do it for last 7 days. On auto campaign, it's a little different than the keywords, but you can optimize it as well. So you have the close match, lose match, and etc. So as you can see, I did, and by the way, if you don't see all these columns, you click here on columns, customize columns, and make sure that you select all. I like to select all so I can see every metric here. And as you can see here, for this close match, my ACoS was 100%. This is a new item, by the way, with 0 reviews, so that's kind of normal. So I will want to reduce it to like maybe by 3 cents because it's already low. And on that one, I got 25 clicks and 1 sell, and it's 32% ACoS. So I'm gonna keep it as is because this is a lose match. Lose match, they can give you like very broad traffic. Let me show you some other manual campaign that will give you a better idea on how I do it for keywords, okay? So for keywords, let's take this ad group, and then I'm gonna have the keyword here, and I like to sort it by the number of clicks so I can see, okay, then the highest number of clicks got me like 228. I spent $121, got 8 sales, 56 ACoS. So I know specifically that yesterday I reduced already the bid, so I'm not gonna touch it. Don't just change your bids every day. It doesn't allow the system to really optimize it enough, and also for you, the change that you made, you're not gonna have enough time to really know whether it worked or not. Okay, so this one also 91%, so it's already low. I also know that I reduced it. This one 16% ACoS, so it's pretty high, and this one also 18, so this one I'm gonna change it to 1.40. And that's what you should do. And also for so it's for the good ACoS keywords, you want to increase the bid. And for the ones that are very bad and high, which are above your break-even ACoS, you want to reduce the bids. Now don't make drastic changes. Why? Because again, you're not gonna know whether the change that you made worked or not. Okay. Sometimes also when you reduce the bid dramatically, for let's say from $1 to 30 cents, you're gonna stop getting any traffic, and that's not what you want to do. Maybe eventually you want to do that if this keyword is not really converting well, but you want to do it slowly, okay? Separating search terms. So let's say that this campaign is just keywords, but we want to see what are the actual search terms that were triggered and people searched for. So we're going to go to the search terms report here, and here we will have in this column all the search terms, and here we will have the original keyword that we're targeting that got this click. What we want to make sure here is we can click sort by orders, and we want to find some keywords that have like very good ACoS. So for example, this is something very cool. I didn't see this keyword before, and it has 3.51% ACoS. So what I'm going to do first is isolate it. I have in this campaign two ad groups, one that is broad and one that is exact. Why exact? Because I can take these keywords that are converting very well and just bid on them like way more drastically. So this one is already here. So I will go here again to search terms, to all the campaign, targeting, search term, and try to find again more keywords like that. So I have here, another keyword here that is looking good. So I can take it and use it for the exact ad group. Let me edit, targeting. So I'll do it as an exact ad, and then I want to look at the suggested bid, because this keyword or this search term had a great ACoS. I will not go just by suggested bid. I will put it a little higher than that and then save. Now you can also create one keyword campaign, and one keyword campaign will give you more control and better rankings. Optimize the listings. Okay, this is a very good point that people sometimes missing. So no matter how good your PPC is, and no matter how organized and disciplined you are with adjusting bids, adding negatives, separating search term, and doing all the techniques in the world, nothing will help you if the listing is not converting. Okay, so how you can actually see what is the conversion rate and how you can really know whether you're in a good place or not. So what I like to do is first of all go to the report here, the sales report, and then go to detail page sales and traffic by child item. Okay, once you do it, you're going to locate the item that you have, and then just look here at the unit percentage session. That's the unit session percentage. What does it mean? It means that that's the percentage of every person that entered into your listing and to those that bought. So for example, I have 55%. That means that for every 100 people, 55 people bought something. So I had 55 sales out of 100 people, which is great conversion rate. Now we want to really locate those listings that have very low conversion rate. Like for example, this one is 11%. It's not that high. So I will actually try to increase the conversion rate, try to optimize the listing, and try to make it more appealing to buyers, and then do all this PPC. So if you're in a stage that you see it's 5%, I'm not saying stop your PPC, but lower the budget, lower the bids, so you're not gonna bleed a lot of money, okay? The right campaigns, video ads. Okay, this is something that is you always really should know how to allocate your budget between the campaigns, between auto campaign, manual campaign, video campaign, or sponsored product display. From my experience in the last 8 months, I would say like video ads and sponsored product display ads are working really good. So you should put your focus there and attention, because the ROI, the return on your investment, will be much higher than an auto campaign or manual campaign. Of course, if you have unlimited budget and your product is good and you're getting sales that are below your break-even ACoS, I will run all the campaigns with unlimited budget. But you really need to understand how it works, because if you, for example, get on the auto campaign like 80% ACoS, and on a video ad you get like 20%, then you should really put more budget on the video campaign, let's say $100, and then for the auto campaign just put $10 and reduce the bids there, so you can lower the ACoS, okay? Because your goal is obviously to get as many sales as possible, okay? Hope that these 5 techniques help you to understand better PPC and how it works, especially with the break-even ACoS. I feel that many people are not really aware of this. They don't really know what is their break-even ACoS, then they have no strategy, no way to really understand and measure whether what they are doing is good or help their business and product or not. So please smash the like button of this video, subscribe to the channel if you didn't subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.